Hello, good day everyone, and in this video we are going to solve this radical problem, and we have a square root 8 raised to the power square root 2 over square root 2 raised to the power square root 8. So let's start. In the first step we use this identity, which is a raised to the power, which is a nth root of a. We write this as a raised to the power 1 over n. We apply this identity on numerator and after that on denominator. So we write this 8 square root 8 as 8 raised to the power 1 over 2, and its again power is a square root 2, and we write this square root 2 as 2 raised to the power 1 over 2, and its again power is a square root 8. In the next step we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n. Again power of this n is a m. Then we write this as a raised to the power product of n multiply m. Using this identity on numerator, then this is a 8 raised to the power square root 2 over 2, and we use this identity on denominator, then we have a 2 raised to the power square root 8 over 2. We write this 8 as a 2 cube, which is equal to 8. So we have a 2 cube which is equal to 8, and its power is the square root 2 over 2. And look at the denominator, we have a 2, its power is a square root 8 over 2. In the next step we use this identity on numerator, then we have a 2 raised to the power 3 times square root 2 over 2 over, look at the denominator, we have a 2 and its power is a square root 8. We find the factor of 8, so we have a 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So we write this square root 8 as a 2 square multiply 2. So this square and square root will cancel, we get 2, and this is a square root 2. So we write this square root 8 as a 2 times square root 2, and this is a 2, so here we write 2. In the next step we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n over a raised to the power m. We write this as a raised to the power n minus m. So in the next step we use this identity, so we have a 2 raised to the power 3 times square root 2 over 2 minus 2 times square root 2 over 2. So we write this as a 2 raised to the power 3 times square root 2 minus 2 times square root 2 over 2. And this is equal to 2 raised to the power square root 2 over 2. We have a 2 raised to the power square root 2 over 2. We multiply this by square root 2 and also divide this by square root 2. Then we write this as a 2 raised to the power square root 2 whole square over, this is a 2 times square root 2. And this is equal to, in the next step this square and square root will cancel, we get a 2 raised to the power 2 over 2 times square root 2. In the next step this 2 and 2 cancel, so we get a 2 raised to the power 1 over square root 2. So in our question, square root 8 raised to the power square root 2 over square root 2 raised to the power square root 8, this is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 over square root 2, and this is our answer.